Today I'm going to show you how you can create a competitor AI research agent inside N8N. This agent will allow you to automatically find all of your competition, and this agent will compile a detailed report in Markdown format for you to take actionable steps, understand your competitors. At the current time, about 10 competitors, find gaps, and also give you strategic recommendations on how to position your product to outcompete all of the other competitors. It gives you an actionable plan, step by step, for you to go into global domination. This is an absolute game changer, and it's only going to get better from here. In order to get this N8N workflow, you got to click on the first link down below in the description. It says Gumroad, you put your email and you get the JSON file for this workflow completely for free. I will show you how easy it is to set this up. It's literally 5 minutes away from you to actually use it. The first thing you want to do is download the workflow, open up a new workflow, import from file to import this workflow. Then you want to go into Google AI Studio and get your API key. So on this Gemini node, you will create a new credential and put your API key here. It's super simple. So let me show you the exact process. You go to AI Studio from Google, you go here that says get API key, and you get your own API key. The great part about this is that this node is going to be used both for the agent that scrapes the web to find your competitors, as well as the final report agent. If you want to improve on this, you can select a bigger model and more capable model than Gemini 2.5 Plus, and also at the same time, for the competitor report, I have Gemini 2.5 Plus Lite. You can change this into Gemini Pro or whatever other model you want. You could put ChatGPT here. And this is just going to improve your final report and competitor search by quite a lot. Also, what you want to do is go inside Perplexity and get your own API key. We're using Perplexity to scrape the web. And it's very simple. You create an account on Perplexity, and then you go to settings. After that, you want to go to API key and get your Perplexity API key, which you connect with your credentials over here. Super simple. So these are the two API keys you need, and this workflow costs cents to scrape competitors. Then what you want to do to run this for your own use case is go to workflow configuration. Here you want to put your company name, your link, your industry, and the audience you want to target. After that, you don't have to do anything else. Everything is set up for you to run, and you get the final Markdown file, which you can preview on a Markdown preview viewer. So you get this very extensive report. Also, what you want to do is create a data table inside N8N. If you want to use, for example, Google Sheets, you can just replace this node with whatever you want. So let me show you exactly how this works. How can you create this data table? You click on the main screen and you go to the tab that says data tables. You want to create a new table. I called it competitors, and you want to have name, URL, description, product, size, and uniqueness. Here are going to be stored all of your competitors, which you can preview in more detail afterwards. So it's that simple to use this workflow. You just connect your table here. It's super simple. Everything is set up by the model. So you just select data table from competitors and everything is set up for you to run. The final file you're going to be getting is here, which is the Markdown file, and you can preview it and look at how detailed this is. This is a literal game changer. Also, if you're interested in learning more about N8N workflows, I have created an N8N course inside my school community. The school community is completely free to join, and look at how many tutorials and guides you are getting. This is pretty much a game changer for anyone that looks to learn N8N completely for free. We're having about 6 hours of tutorials right now inside here, and every single month, new N8N tutorials are added here. You can find the workflows through the links, the guides on how to use each workflow. Literally, this is a game changer. And this community is completely free to join. Already 54 members are inside of it, and of course we've got even more other classrooms, which are going to only increase. I've got so many things to bring to you in this free community. I look forward to seeing you inside of it, and hopefully you found this video interesting and helpful. Make sure to test out this competitor research agent and use it for your own tasks and for your own competition. You could use it for video, you could use it for blogs, you could use it for whatever you think. You just have to adjust this node at the start, which is the workflow configuration. It's so simple. Also, you could go around and play around with the prompts. So you could literally change the prompts if you want to target more specific niches or get specific information, and you are pretty much good to go. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.